Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A little bit more information on this, and this might work. The question was, okay, this pattern is 4.2 inches by 2.9. This is for rhinestones. If we have a ratio locked and we make this 3.75, now our circles are not the right size. So we've scaled this down, but this macro that I showed just in, and I left a link to that macro, we can still make this work if we go to Tools, Macro. Yours might say scripts, or mine says scripts, yours might say macros. Start as macro, and we'll make this 0.129. 0.129 from the center. That's going to take a little bit of time. So now we're in a smaller template, and just like earlier, it's having to do all this, and it might be too crowded. Hopefully not. And let's just a second, see whenever you can't grab a tool. Okay, see, they're too crowded, but they are 1.29 circles in a lot smaller, in a 3 by, well, now it's 3.79 just because we made it bigger. But there's I don't know of any way in Corel that you could do this. It would be a lot easier to make it bigger, because then they'd be spread out. And now the size of our circles are 0.29. So if we go back to this and make them that 0.19 and go from the center, well, I only had one selected. So let's back up. You got to have them all selected. Select them all. 1.29 from the center. Now that's, if you notice how quick it did that one, well, it's having to go through there and do that to all these. So we've made this, now this thing is 8.6. I don't think this is still going to help her on her other problem. With different size circles. Now, I'm still going to work on it. See, now each circle, even though it's bigger, is 1.29 circles. But we're looking at a deal that's double the size of the template. Anyway, just a little bit more information. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.